back to another video. This is gonna be a short video. I'm only gonna play 2 rounds of this because it's very late. So, guys, this game is called Cat Escape. Very fun. Yeah, it's very fun. So we're gonna play like until I get to like 300, and that's good because it's only a few hours away. Also, guys, my goal is to get to 300. So yeah, this is not gonna be too hard. Almost done, guys. This is gonna be like really quick because like I want to get like done and over with this because I have to go to bed soon. So yeah. Oh my gosh, please, this is hard. Guys, this is hard. Oh my gosh. It takes too long to teleport. Oh my gosh. It takes too long to teleport. I need to do it when he's at like blue. Yes, guys, I got it. Guys, that one was easy. Oh my gosh, guys. I accidentally
Can Ariel take on the
pressed
wash
get
cold challenge? Tough stains like mud and sweat are harder to remove in a cold wash. Ariel pods are rated best on stains by Which. They dissolve fast for a
Sorry,
brilliant
guys,
clean.
that you
And
have
if
to watch
tend to wash
now.
colder, you could save up to 60% on your washing machine energy costs. Ariel, rated best on stains by Which. Always keep away from children.
Guys, we're back in the game. And if you can't, no. Wow, the portal.